Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give you some instructions for the assignment for today. It should be pretty easy to follow along with, but just in case you are unsure of what to do, I'll kind of guide you through it. If you click on the 317, which is today, and you click on the World War I Technology Project, um, and you can see there's like different steps. So there's step one, and it tells you to look through the options below and select your weapon or technology of choice. So honestly, you guys, I don't care. You choose any of these that sound interesting to you. Choose one that you've never heard of. Choose one that you have heard of and you think is awesome. I don't care. Um, but these are the different options for what you can do. Step two is obviously to do some research about it. Make sure when you do your research, when you type into Google, type in like I said here, submarines. If you choose submarines, don't type in submarines because you're going to get information about today's submarines. So if you type in submarines during World War I or World War I submarines, you'll get actually like accurate information. And then step three, open your copy of the World War I Technology Project on Google Slides. Click click this button right here. You will get a template. The template that you get gives you all of the instructions. So you can see your title page by your name. Rename your project up here. Actually, I don't even know if it lets you do that, so just kidding. Ignore that one. But add any color, theme. So you can go to slides, you can choose a layout, choose a theme, your call. Um, for this slide, it's all about the invention explanation. So who invented it? When was it invented? Like details on how it works. Like that kind of information would be included on this slide. Except for you guys see this, it needs to be bulleted information. I do not want to read a paragraph. I do not want to see that it's copied and pasted from online. But down here, you guys see where I'm highlighting? This down here, I want you to actually type out what you would say. Usually we actually do presentations in class for these assignments. We're not going to do that this time. So you need to actually type out what you would say here. So bullet, really short to the point. Here, expand on it. What would you actually say? Make sure this slide has images. This one is the invention impact. So how was it used in the war? What were problems or issues with it? How did it change the war? What was the impact? And again, same thing down here with your notes, same thing here with images. And then the last slide is works cited. So that is pretty much it. I hope that was helpful, and make sure you always press submit up here at the top. You have a couple days to get this done, but you should be working on it now because there's other assignments coming up. Stay healthy.